When we want to protect a document, we usually want to encrypt it and prevent editing. Today, we'll compare the WPS Writer with Microsoft Word regarding the encryption function. First, let's start with Microsoft Word. There are two ways to encrypt documents in Word. For the first method, we need to head to the Info interface, click Protect Document, and set the opening password for the document. The second method is to encrypt the document by Save As. By doing so, you can set the opening password and the modification password respectively. Although these two methods can encrypt documents, the process is rather tedious. Users can get confused by multiple passwords. If you forget the passwords, you can no longer open this document again. Now let's take a look at WPS Writer. For users' convenience, there is only one way to encrypt WPS documents, which assemble all the related functions of document encryption in one interface. Click Menu and then click Options to enter the security interface. Click Advanced to set different levels of encryption protection for documents according to our own needs. We can set the opening password and modification password of the document separately below. WPS Office also designed the password hint function intimately. When setting the password, the hint can be set as something only we know, such as an important date. After setting, click OK to complete the document encryption setting. In this way, when we reopen the document, if the password is entered incorrectly twice, a password hint will appear, which will make the password more secure. To sum up, WPS Writer is easier to encrypt because it doesn't need to jump into multiple interfaces, and the function of password hint is more human-oriented. Did you get it?